Today they ignore you. Tomorrow they will ask one question. How did you do it? This is the story of someone like that. Boy, the world ignored, until the world couldn't ignore him anymore. In a busy city full of noise, lived a young man named Marcus. He was not loud. He was not popular. And he never tried to impress anyone. Marcus lived a very ordinary life on the outside. A small rented room. A simple routine. No luxury. No spotlight. People around him didn't see anything special. At work, he was just another guy. Among friends, he was too quiet. In family gatherings, he was still figuring life out. People didn't insult him directly. They did something worse. They ignored him. They talked over him. They didn't ask his opinion. They didn't expect anything from him, and slowly, people like Marcus begin to doubt themselves. Because when the world keeps acting like you don't matter, your mind starts believing it. Every night, Marcus sat alone with his thoughts. No motivational speeches, no cheering crowd, just a silent question repeating in his head. Am I wasting my time? Because while he was working quietly, others were showing results online, posting achievements, talking big, receiving praise. Marcus had nothing to show, except effort, and effort doesn't get likes. But Marcus had made a decision, early in life, a quiet decision. I will not rush my journey just to look successful. So, while others chased attention, Marcus chased mastery. He learned skills no one cared about yet. He failed privately. He improved slowly. And every time he felt invisible, he reminded himself, seeds grow underground first. Months passed. Nothing changed. Years passed. Still nothing changed. People around him moved ahead, or at least appeared to. Some mocked him gently. Some offered fake advice. Some said, be realistic. Not everyone is meant to succeed. Marcus listened. And then he returned to work. Because he understood something painful but powerful. People don't believe in potential. They believe in proof. There came a time when Marcus felt tired. Not physically and emotionally. Tired of being unseen. Tired of being underestimated. Tired of proving nothing to anyone. One night he almost quit. He sat on his bed staring at the wall, thinking of a normal life, a safe life, a life without dreams. And then he asked himself one question. If I quit now, will anyone even notice? That question hurt, but it also freed him, because he realized something important. If no one is watching, you are free to build without pressure. From that day, Marcus stopped caring. Not in an angry way. In a focused way. He stopped explaining his plans, stopped seeking approval, stopped comparing timelines. He treated his dream like a secret contract with himself. No announcements, no promises, only action. And slowly, quietly, things started changing, not suddenly. Not dramatically, just progress, small wins, better results, stronger confidence. Still, no one noticed, and that was okay, because Marcus wasn't building to be seen. He was building to last. Then one day opportunity appeared, not because Marcus was lucky, but because Marcus was ready. Someone noticed his work. Not his words, not his excuses, his work. That single chance turned into another, then another. And one day people started saying his name differently, with curiosity, with respect. The same people who once ignored him now asked, when did you become so good? How did this happen? Why didn't you tell us? Marcus smiled, because how do you explain years of silence? How do you explain nights no one saw? Effort no one clapped for? Discipline no one rewarded? You don't. You let results speak. Marcus didn't change. The world's reaction did, and that's when he understood the final lesson. People ignore you when you are becoming. They respect you when you arrive. But the arrival only comes if you survive the silence. If you are being ignored right now, this is your reminder. You are not late. You are early. You are not invisible. You are under construction. Keep going. Work quietly. Build patiently, because one day, they won't ask who you are. They'll ask how you did it, and by then, you won't need to answer. At the Wisdom Tales, we share powerful stories that inspire growth, patience, and inner strength. If this story touched you, stay with us for more meaningful stories that shape your mindset and your future.